So you probably all know by now how frustrating it can be to set up a NAS, and it's always stationary, right? So here I have from Blackmagic the Cloud Store Mini, which is 8 TB, which also works kind of like a NAS, and you can use it on the go. So here I have a YouTube Studio setup, and I just show you quickly how easy it is to set it up. I actually just need 2 cables to do that. So first of all, just connect it to power, like so, all right. And then we have the Ethernet via USB-C, and I can already hear that this device is running. And then I now just plug it into my MacBook like so. And right away, I just need to launch the Cloud Store Setup app, and it's already recognizing the device. So I just click on it, it's connecting. Here I have a bunch of settings that I can change if I need to. The internet is not connected at the moment, but for this setup I don't need it actually. And I have the storage to format the drive. And just to connect it, the only thing that I really have to do is to go on Show in Finder, and you see now it's kind of connecting it as a network. And if I go under to my networks, under locations, I have it right here. So already that was the entire setup and it's ready to go. But I can also use it in a more controlled stationary setup with multiple computers, also for collaborations and stuff like that. And that I'm gonna show you right now. So now we are in an office setup, and I have connected my Cloud Store Mini with my iMac using the 10 gig Ethernet port. And I have connected my MacBook via USB-C. In this circumstances, you can directly see in the interface of the Cloud Store Mini when you connect it via HDMI to a monitor how many users are connected. So you can live view who's accessing it and who's using what kind of media, which is pretty cool actually. So now we are working collaboratively in a project in DaVinci Resolve, and it's really great how it integrates into DaVinci Resolve, because Basti has edited the piece now, and now it's my turn on doing the color grading and stuff like that. So just to give you a quick rundown for this clip here, I just bring down the exposure a bit and increasing the light, decreasing the shadows to get more contrast. And basically from there I could go in any direction that I want to, for example what I did in this final clip or in this scene here. And it's really nice to see how it is integrated into the DaVinci Resolve workflow, and especially for us as a team it works really nice. And it can also be used in a proxy workflow, so you don't have to use the high-res files all the time, which also makes everything much faster. So what is the Blackmagic Cloud Store Mini all about at the very end? So I feel like in the end there are a lot of missed opportunities that I hope Blackmagic will address at some point. So you have the opportunity to have a cloud-based workflow, but at the moment it's only Dropbox or Google Drive, which is not a real issue because most of the people will already have an account there. But I think it will be much more powerful if Blackmagic Cloud will be connected, which Blackmagic already told me that they will do in the near future. So that's great. Another missed opportunity is that it has inside a RAID 0 system. So when you have a NAS, you will probably have a RAID 5 system. So that means if one drive inside fails, you will have a backup. On this one, if any drive inside here fails, it's all gone. Also, when we have a normal NAS, we can upgrade it. We can put more storage in and stuff like that. This one, you theoretically could open it and could upgrade it, but that will void your warranty, of course. I already said when we connect it to a monitor, we have like a nice little overview, but it's only visual. We cannot change everything. We cannot grant permissions to any new user. We do not give any restrictions to anybody. So that is something that I'm looking for when I'm working in a team, because I personally don't want that everybody can, for example, delete files and something like that. I will have some people that can do that, but others don't. So that would be great to kind of change that into this ecosystem there. Another missed opportunity is that it has no own security system. It has the security system which the network has that it is connected to. But for example, if you have a NAS that always have some added security features and stuff like that. So that is also a missed opportunity, I feel like here. Also, I want to point out that if you buy this device, there are no cables included. There's no power cable included and no USB-C cable included. And let me tell you, it's really important to buy the correct USB-C cables so that you can get the full potential out of this one, because I had loads of them that were not fast enough. I just had one that would give me the full 10 gig potential. So please make sure that beforehand, and also the same goes for the power plug-in, that you just buy one. So in the end, I feel this device is still great. And the biggest benefit for me is how fast it really is, because it's all made out of SSDs inside. So that's pretty great. And also that you can work collaboratively inside of DaVinci Resolve and how it is integrated into DaVinci Resolve. But as I've already said, there are some missed opportunities that I think Blackmagic can address in the near future. So let me know what your thoughts on this. Tell me in the comments below, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Cheers.